Now, with just over a month to go before the RJR Gleena Sports Foundation National Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards Gala, we start our preview with a look at the likely placings of some of the nominees. Renata Brown reports.
When the list of 9 nominees for the Sportswoman of the Year award was made public, the general consensus was that World 100-meter champion Shelly and Fraser-Pryce was the overwhelming favorite to land the top award. Track and field analyst Dwayne Extel is one such person who feels Fraser-Pryce's performance in 2019 should see her be named Sportswoman of the Year. But he feels the runner-up spot will be a battle between 2 field events athletes.
I really like Daniel Thomas-Dodd. I know Shanika Ricketts had a fantastic season, second place at the World Championship, Diamond League winner. But for Daniel Thomas-Dodd, 4th at the last World Championship to get 2nd this year, and also the first Jamaican woman to win a medal in that event. It's nothing to smile about. You know, it's not an easy thing to do, to go to the world stage and win an event or get a medal in an event for the very first time. So I think her resume this season, she won at the Pan American Games, so did Shanika Ricketts, but it still gives Daniel the edge for me because she's our first ever medalist in that event.
Exel also believes the top 2 finish for Thomas-Dodd would help to lift the profile of throws heading into 2020.
The throws have been on the rise. Men's, women, they've been doing well. And you think about what Daniel has accomplished this year, it would give some encouragement to the rest of the athletes here, the younger ones who are pursuing a career in track and field, to make them realize that it's not just about sprints. You know, the hurdles are doing well, the throws, the jumps are doing well. So her medal at this World Championship really has done a lot and will do a lot going forward for the nation. And I think it will inspire a lot of young people.
The RJR Gleena Group Sports Foundation Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year Awards Gala will be held on January 17 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Live coverage will be on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network, and Hits 92 FM.